Are you looking to increase your sales with Shopify Dropshipping? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to use Shopify to create a dropshipping business that can help you increase your sales and take your business to the next level. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 1. Increase email signups. You want to get as much value from your traffic as possible. You can't rely on all of it turning into sales, but you can give visitors the opportunity to convert in other ways, like providing their contact information. Then, you can start marketing to them to drive future sales. Opt-in forms, like pop-ups, flyouts, chat windows, and on-page fields, can be powerful tools for driving conversions. On average, pop-ups have a conversion rate of 3.1%. The highest performing ones have a conversion rate of 9.28%. You should be careful about which pages you add pop-ups to, though. If there's obvious intent to purchase, like on the checkout page, you could be hurting your sales potential. You don't want to ruin the buying experience. Instead, you can include opt-ins on your homepage, product pages, About Us page, collection pages, the blog, and other educational pages. 2. Create email marketing campaigns. As an e-commerce business, email marketing is one of the most effective ways to keep your brand top of mind with customers and drive new sales. Every dollar spent on email marketing has a return on investment of $45, making it a wise investment for your business. To make the most of your email list, you'll want to segment it and create drip email sequences. This way you can send targeted, timely emails that are more likely to be opened and acted upon. Just be careful not to send too many emails, as this will quickly lead to your messages being marked as spam. The right email marketing tool will allow you to set rules and avoid bugging your subscribers. By following these best practices, you can make email marketing work for your e-commerce business and see a healthy return on your investment. 3. Add SMS marketing. SMS marketing has become just as important as email marketing in recent years. Consumers can now opt to receive special offers and marketing messages straight to their pockets via text. SMS open rates are often as high as 98%, and messages are, on average, opened within the first 90 seconds of receiving. This makes SMS marketing a highly effective way to reach and engage consumers. Web push notifications are another anonymous way to reach consumers where they shop. With browser opt-in, users can receive important nudges right where they are without having to use customer information. This makes web push notifications a convenient and effective way to reach consumers. 4. Invest in social media marketing. As the world of e-commerce continues to grow, so too does the importance of social media marketing. In fact, a strong social media presence is now essential for any successful e-commerce business. One of the best platforms for e-commerce businesses is Instagram. With its focus on images and easy-to-use product tagging feature, Instagram is perfect for showcasing products and driving sales. And with a global user base that is expected to reach 1.4 billion by 2025, there is certainly a sizable audience to be targeted. Of course, simply being on Instagram is not enough. To really succeed on this platform, you need to have a well-thought-out strategy. This means knowing who your target audience is and what kind of content will resonate with them. Once you have a solid understanding of your audience, you can start creating content that is both visually appealing and informative. Be sure to post regularly and interact with your followers to create a strong connection with your audience. By following these tips, you can develop a successful social media strategy that will help take your e-commerce business to the next level. 5. Use SEO to drive traffic. The benefits of SEO are manifold. A well-executed SEO campaign can result in increased traffic, better conversion rates, and higher brand awareness. Additionally, SEO can also help to build brand equity, as it can help to create a positive association with the website in the minds of potential customers. Moreover, SEO can also lead to improved user experience, as it can help to make a website more navigable and user-friendly. Finally, SEO can also have a positive impact on the bottom line of a business, as it can lead to increased sales and revenue. While SEO can be a complex and time-consuming process, it is well worth the investment for any business that is looking to improve its online visibility and attract more customers. If you are not sure where to start with your SEO campaign, then you may want to consider enlisting the help of a professional SEO agency. 6. Leverage paid ads for targeted traffic. Paid advertising is one of the most effective ways to drive traffic to your store. By targeting the right people with your ads, you can ensure that your store gets the traffic it needs to succeed. Paid search ads and Google Shopping ads are a great way to get started, but you can also bid for keywords that you want to show up for. Paid social ads on platforms like Instagram and Facebook are also a great way to drive traffic. With their vast repositories of personal information, they can target your ads to the people most likely to purchase your products. You can continue to tweak your ad copy, visuals, and targeting as you go to get it just right. As long as you are making more than you are spending, paid advertising is a great way to drive traffic to your store. 7. Build dedicated landing pages. You've put in the hard work of SEO, email, and SMS marketing, push notifications, and paid ads, and now it's time to focus on conversion. One of the most effective ways to convert traffic into customers is to create landing pages designed specifically for your audience. A landing page is a standalone web page that is designed to achieve a single conversion goal, such as making a sale, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading a white paper. When creating a landing page, it's important to think about who your audience is and what they are looking for. For example, if you are running a paid ad campaign, you know exactly who your audience is and what they are interested in. This allows you to create a landing page that is tailored to their needs and will increase the likelihood of conversion. 8. Offer free shipping. When it comes to shopping online, free shipping is a powerful motivator. A 2019 survey found that 68% of shoppers were less likely to make a purchase if free shipping wasn't an option. And most shoppers, 80%, actually expect free shipping when their orders exceed a certain dollar amount. For online retailers, offering free shipping can be a tricky proposition. You can either decide to take the hit to your profit margins or increase product costs to cover free shipping. In many cases, it's actually better to absorb the costs of free shipping in order to reap the many benefits it provides. This is especially true if you offer conditional free shipping, where shoppers need to spend a certain amount to unlock free shipping. This is a powerful strategy for boosting average order values, AOV. You can also offer free shipping for specific products to help clear out inventory or for certain holidays as an extra incentive to buy from your brand. Overall, free shipping is a great way to increase sales and encourage loyalty from your customers. By offering free shipping, you can make your online store more competitive and attract more shoppers. 9. Optimize your product pages. As a store owner, you know that your products are the bread and butter of your business. You also know that in today's day and age, shoppers are increasingly doing their shopping online. While this is great for your business, it can be difficult to create the same type of experience for your shoppers that they would get in a brick-and-mortar store. In order to create a product page that comes close to replicating the in-store experience, you need to take amazing photos from various angles that capture even the smallest details. You should also create a video that showcases the product in all its glory. In addition to these visual elements, your product description should be detailed and evoke emotion. Be sure to include vital product specifications as well as a story about the product. By taking these steps, you will be well on your way to creating an online product page that comes close to replicating the in-store experience. This will ultimately lead to more sales and a loyal customer base. 10. Earn trust with social proof. Adding user-generated content, UGC, to your store is a great way to show potential customers that your product is well loved and trusted already. A popular form of UGC is Instagram posts from customers using or wearing your products out in the real world. Social proof is powerful and you want to put in real effort to encourage the creation of it and to display it prominently on your store pages. If you've been featured in publications like gift guides or great reviews, or you've been given an award, that's a great opportunity to add those logos and quotes to your store to gain the carryover trust from those organizations. By taking advantage of UGC and social proof, you can show potential customers that your product is already trusted and loved by many, which can be a powerful persuader in their decision-making process. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.